In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Freshbooks password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your account more secure in just a few minutes. First, open Freshbooks and head to your dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon there. This is typically your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Account Profile. This takes you to your profile settings where you can update personal details and security preferences. On the profile page, look for the option labeled Change Password and click it. This will open the password update form with 3 fields. Start by entering your current password in the first field. This step confirms it's really you making the change. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on and double check for any accidental spaces. If you use a password manager, let it autofill here to avoid typos. Next, move to the new password field. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A helpful approach is a longer passphrase, ideally 12 or more characters with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details like birthdays or common words. Strong passwords protect your billing data, client information, and your business's financial records. In the Confirm New Password field, retype the exact same password. This prevents accidental mistakes. If there's a show or hide icon next to the fields, consider revealing what you've typed to visually confirm they match. When all 3 fields are filled out correctly, click Save Changes. FreshBooks will validate your entries. If the current password is incorrect, or if the new passwords don't match, you'll see an error message. Just correct the issue and try again. If your new password doesn't meet the system's security requirements, you'll be prompted to choose a stronger one. After a successful save, you should see a confirmation and your new password will take effect immediately. Going forward, use this new password the next time you sign in. Depending on your settings and devices, you might be asked to log in again on other browsers or apps, which is normal. Before you wrap up, update your password manager so it remembers the new credentials and store them securely. That's it, quick, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and you're all set with your updated FreshBooks password.